Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another episode recap of the show Umnakwethu season 4. So episode 2 starts with Umfana Msweli Ulungisani, and he is married to indodakazi yakwaMkhwanazi. They have 2 children together, and uMamkhulu basically says that uLungisani has never ever let her down, and that things have always right emshadweni wabo, things have always been good, and he treats her well. She says that sebeshade u7 years manje, and they have been married for 3 years. And then Umswelu, which is uLungisani, he says naye he is happy in his marriage. There's nothing that his wife doesn't do for him. And I'm just like, I don't understand. If you are happy in your marriage, then why you umfazi wesibili? If you are so happy in your marriage, and he does say that there's nothing his first wife doesn't do, then what is isizathu or good enough reason to take wife number 2? And it just makes me think that as abantu, guys, asoneli ngempela, because like you have enough, you are happy with what you have. Why do you still want to add more to your plate? Like, why? Because there's always going to be more, there's always going to be better. So if you don't learn how to control your appetite, then kusho ukuthi uzoba senkingeni. But anyway, Isato, he says the reason why he wants to take a second wife is that ekhaya kibo, his mother doesn't have someone who will help her. Akunamuntu ongasiza abazali bakhe emakhaya, and that's why he wants to take the second wife. The second wife basically will then go and stay kibo with the mother and help the mother. And I'm just like, even with that, I still don't feel like that's a good enough reason. If you want someone ozosiza umawakho, why don't you get a helper? Or maybe it's that a helper will not be there 24/7, and abanye abantu bayasho ukuthi a helper is not the same as a umakoti in a sense. And I get that, but I'm just like, Isthembu, guys, comes with so much more, It's not like having a girlfriend and a side chick. Like, once you marry a second person, once you marry a person, the responsibility that comes with that is not the same as having, a girlfriend. So another thing that also came up is that Umsweli has a child with the second woman. He has a child with this woman, and his wife uMamkhulu doesn't know about it. And he says that he doesn't want his child that he has with uMamncane, he doesn't want his child to grow up basically in a home where there's only one parent. So he wants to marry uMamncane so that the child is able to grow up in a household where there is a mother and a father. Ubaba Msweli does ask Umsweli how old is he, and he responds by saying una 29, and Umsweli says that he is kind of concerned if Umsweli is kind of prepared for Isthembu. He does say Ubaba Msweli, he does elaborate that Isthembu sisinda ngesikhathi sisinda ngemali. And I think Ubaba Msweli has been quite clear about that though Isthembu, yes, it can operate without money, but siyasinda ngemali, because when you are married to one woman, your money is only going to one household. And then when you marry the second woman, now it must go to 2 households. If you're a black person, your money will go to your household, and then your parents' household, ekhaya. Now you want to take another wife, so that's like 3 households in essence. But Umsweli angithi unengane noMamncane, kusho ukuthi already his money, because uMamncane yasho ukuthi he has been a supportive father, so kusho ukuthi his money already has been going to another household even without the wife noticing. And the wife says azange asole lutho, and it just makes me think ukuthi yazi abanye abantu bayafihla. Like, you're telling me you married to someone and they are supporting like a child outside, and you can't even tell the difference. That means I guess umuntu meka nemali yakhe uzinakela imali yakhe, and maybe she doesn't have access to his finances. But yeah, maybe she doesn't, maybe that's just how they operate. But in other households, most definitely the woman would have found out, because you are able to, to hlanganisa. But then again, Umsweli, he is a Maskandi artist. So when a person's an artist like that, it's really hard to pin down like how much they make and etc. So yeah, umsele ngiyamtshela ukuthi like isithembu siyasinda, and it comes with its own responsibilities. It's not the same when you have a girlfriend. It's not the same as taking a second wife. So umamncane indodakazi yakwaMdletshe, her name is Lungile Mdletshe, and yasho ukuthi she met Umsweli at a lounge, izinto zomculo, and she said after 1 month bethandana, he did tell her that he has a wife. And she says ukuthi 1 minute be right with that information, like she was okay with the fact that he had a wife, and then the next minute she was not okay. But because bekesemthanda, then she decided ukuthi she's going to not break up with him and stay with him, because vele, like, her intention is not ukubhidliza like his family that he currently has. But mengimbheka mina uLungile ne, I don't think she's a type of lady ongahlala emakhaya. But that's the thing, I feel like most of these guys come in with the reason yokuthi ngifuna umuntu ozonakekela uma, or ngifuna umuntu ozonakekela my family ekhaya. But then as isikhathi sihamba, then the second wife is like, no, ungithole eGoli, so why must I go back and ngihlale emakhaya? Like, chances are, she doesn't look like, yes, like intombazane yakwaZulu, she speaks very well. Her Zulu is very good. Like, you can understand, you can see ukuthi like she uphuma ekhaya eliqeqeshiweyo. She's coming from a very like disciplined household. She understands isintu and etc. But I don't see her as a lady ozoyohlala emakhaya. So anyway, yeah, she says ukuthi she met him, we launch, and she basically says ukuthi akazanga uzolwa. She's not there to break and ruin the marriage. So umamkhulu mekambona, umamkhulu vele wakhala mebemtshela indaba yokuthi sebemfunela umnakwabo. She just cried. And umamkhulu yabonakala ukuthi vele ungumuntu like ozithobile in a sense. But she basically says umamkhulu uyasho ukuthi u8 years wonke sehleli naye, and then he wants to ufuna ukuthatha isithembu like now. And she says that she feels like sonke lesi sikhathi she was uLokhuza Umsweli was basically using her. He was using her for all of these 8 years. And Umsweli, he does say that he loves her. He doesn't have any problem with her. But that's the thing is, Tempo, guys, there's no way as a woman you're not going to take it personal. No matter what reason a person can give you and say, hey, agnankinga nawe, like, agnankinga nawe, there's nothing, whatever. As a woman, you will naturally feel like it's personal. You'll naturally feel like, there's something wrong with me. And that's why, to a woman's mind, it just doesn't make sense of why you'd go and take another woman. So umamkhulu, she took it in that way, that ushuthi sonke lesikhathi like you were just pushy life ngam, but I was not the person that you actually wanted to spend the rest of your life with. But umamkhulu Yasala Istembu, she basically says ukuthi nope, she's not agreeing to umamncane utangene. And then iphuma indaba yokuthi banengane together akhale more umamkhulu. But umamkhulu does say ukuthi akanankinga nengane because ingane ayinacala, the ingane is innocent. The people who are evil is these two that decided ukuthi they basically umamkhulu says ukuthi bayiplanile lento yokuba nengane so that azongena esithenjini. Angazi ngalokho ke ukuthi if bayiplanile. Then umamkhulu ambuze ke umamncane ukuthi wena ungabona indoda endala kanje ucabanga ukuthi akanamndeni, like stuff like that, and ithekuli lingaka uzikhethela indoda eshadile. Yeah, so Mamkule, she was not happy about it, and she said, if you want this woman so much, I can leave you two and you guys can continue in marriage. But as for me, I'm not going to accept Istembu. So that is basically a recap of episode 2. You guys, Mamkulu declined the request of Ulungile Nomsweli to be together. But I must say, Ulungile really, she does come from a very well-groomed home, because she spoke very well. Azangamtelelu mamkulu, even when mamkulu said ukuthi uyasala isithembu, she never ever said kusho ukuthi isoqhubeka. She never said anything like that, which is what I liked about her. So maybe umamkhulu mekebona ukuthi ulungile ukuthi uzilungele, and then maybe she'll accept his thembu, kodwa angiboni njalo. But anyway, guys, that is it. If ulokhuzana umsweli una 29 and you want to take a second wife, I see a third and a fourth wife coming as well. But please do make sure that you like the video. Please also do subscribe. It is for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.